So this is just something I've been working on. I've always wanted to like learn C++ and do some level designs and just learn how to make something. So I've started using the Unreal Engine and this is what I've come up with so far. It's actually pretty easy to use and I like it a lot. Let me just click play and spawned in the grass. Don't want to do that. Okay. So you can see this is what it looks like so far. I actually need to move this lamp. I probably just let it back there. But these are just some assets I imported, and these walls were made using just a basic wall block, and then I put a material layer over it. I built this glass wall here. I don't know if you can see it well. And then I also made a sliding door using blueprints. And the blueprint system in this engine is actually pretty cool. So when I approach the door, it opens, and when I exit the area, it closes. Let me just show you what the blueprints looks like for this level. So you can see here, this is what I had to make for the sliding door, and I'll just put this to the side. So then click play, and you can see how the blueprint system works. When I approach the door, it triggers this line, and then once I exit, it should trigger another line that closes the door and returns it to its original position. I didn't have the assets to make a door handle, so what I did, I used a window frame from over here to make my door handle, and later on I'll just come in and put in like a door right here, and I'll put in a wall as well. Let me just close this. I'll also have to move this light source that's right there. It's in a bad position. I just started messing around with landscapes, and what I did, I made a 63 by 63 area. I'll just go up so you can see it. And I plan to fill out this terrain and see if I can create something. I don't know what I can make, but I'll try to do something. Just gonna reduce my camera speed, and I'll drop back down to the ground because I haven't actually tested out what the terrain feels like. Oh, that's pretty neat. You can actually climb it. Cool. So I'll probably just try to make it like a waterfall or a garden or something, and then I put in some props in the background there. You can see them. I'll fill that out some more too. What else? Oh, this chair is supposed to move when I shoot it, so let's just see if I can do that. Simulate physics. I may have. I'll put in another chair, and I'll rotate this one this way. I'll simulate physics for that too. So the engine is asking me to build my lighting, but I won't do that. Yeah. So once I actually collide with these objects, it goes off. And then you can also alter the physics so it's not so, I don't know, easy to move. Interested to know. Oh, so I can actually change this. wanted it to open when the door approached, but I guess it's not gonna do that right now. I'll have to mess around with this some more and see what happens. Just turn it on to ignore for now. Yeah, I do need to get some more assets because right now I'm limited with what I can use. And I do want to expand this house some more, actually build a decent level. I want to learn how to use blueprints more and build an elevator. So I'll probably come in later and do that. And then you can do things like post-processing and adding certain effects. So I'll try to do that later on. One thing I do want to try to do is simulate some particles, just to see what it looks like. That's pretty neat. You can see I added some dust particles. So yeah, that's my level so far, and I'll hopefully have some more updates soon to this, because I really love this engine and I really want to build something cool. I already have a few plans in my mind. It's just going to take a lot of planning and learning how to operate blueprints and just making everything work. So yeah, that's my level.